To add Stripe to your Stan Store, follow these steps. First, create a Stripe account if you don't already have one. Go to the Stripe website and sign up for an account by providing your email address and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent by Stripe. Next, log into your Stan Store dashboard and navigate to the Payment Settings section. Click on the Add Payment Method button and select Stripe from the list of available payment gateways. You will be redirected to the Stripe website where you need to authorize Stan Store to connect to your Stripe account. Enter your Stripe account email and password to authorize the connection. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to your Stan Store dashboard. In the Payment Settings section, you will see Stripe listed as a payment method. Click on the Edit button next to Stripe to configure the settings. Enter your Stripe secret key and publishable key in the respective fields. You can find these keys in your Stripe account dashboard under the Developers section. Make sure to save the changes after entering the keys. To test the Stripe payment method, go to your Stan Store and add a product to the cart. Proceed to checkout and select Stripe as the payment method. Enter your credit card details and complete the payment. If the payment is successful, you will see a success message and the order will be marked as paid in your Stan Store dashboard. Best practices for using Stripe with Stan Store include using a secure connection to protect customer data and regularly updating your Stripe plugin to ensure you have the latest security patches. By following these steps, you can easily add Stripe to your Stan Store and start accepting payments from your customers.